So we set out to establish a glamping business, and when we came to convert these buildings we wanted to make it as eco-friendly as possible, so we put in a ground source heat pump and we used like local sustainable building materials and local products inside, using local craftspeople. And the final piece of the jigsaw really was when Clocaenog Fund funded the solar panels on the roof over there so that we could generate power to support the ground source heat pump. That'll help to support our business by reducing our electricity bills, and they're through the roof at the moment. So it also will generate power for the electric car charger. We're getting more and more people arriving here in EVs all the time, so we put in the electric vehicle chargers, and that'll obviously they'll be able to charge for free off the solar panels.
Athon ni drio am arian gyn Clocaenog a Brennig, cos o'n i'n awyddus iawn i ymestyn faint o pwyllgor ardal gyda ni, cos o'n i'n gweithio efo cymunedau i gynyddu defnydd o'r Gymraeg trwy weithio efo nhw a gofyn be maen nhw isio a gweld lle mae yna fylcha. Felly, i allu ehangu hynna yn yr ardal wedig, yn ardal hiraethog, nes i wneud y cais i gyflogi swyddog, ond hefyd fo' 'na chydig o bres i'r swyddog yna weithio efo i ymatab i be oedd y gymuned isio. So mae ni wan yn gweithio ni a mae'n y broses o sefydlu pwyllgor ardal newydd. Ond un o'r pethau cyntaf da ni wedi wneud ydy, da ni wedi gallu cynnig chydig o help i Glwb Nant yn Llanrwst i hyfforddwyr nhw gallu wneud cymhwyster fel fod na hyfforddiant yn gallu parhau yn Gymraeg.
We have been extremely fortunate to get funding from the Clocaenog wind farm, and that supports our luncheon clubs, our Meals on Wheels services, prescription collection services, services that are all vital here in a rural community. We serve a population of around 5,000 people, but they're spread over 100 square miles. We have become very much the go-to place where people have the opportunities to socialise, meet old friends, make new friends. We also go and visit people in their homes, and often we are the only person they might see in a week. So in terms of reducing people's isolation and improving access to services, the 3 years of funding that we've received will ensure that we can continue to do this to the benefit of our community, and we'd like to say a massive thank you.